everybody, Bekka here. Today we're going to go out for a nature walk and see what kind of plants we can find. So let's get started. This herb right here, which is cleaver, it's also called gooseweed or Velcro weed. Alright, we're going to step right over here to this plant, which is yopon. And yopon makes a favorite ingredient of my tea. It creates caffeine. Alright, we're going to walk right over here to this plant, which is starting to bloom. This is another favorite herb of mine. This is dewberry. In about a week or two, we will start seeing actual berries. This little spot right there is the berries starting to grow. Those that are here for the first time, I'm Bekka Laurent, and I'm here to empower you with knowledge of a natural health lifestyle. And today we are out in the wild looking for herbs for your health. This particular plant you might recognize. This is a wild onion. And how we know it's a wild onion and not a mimicker is it smells like onion. Here's another favorite plant of mine. This is the ground seal, or what I call the mangliere, which is a Creole name for this plant, which is good for chest ailments. Here's an herb that a lot of people don't understand or don't notice that it is a viable herb for us to use. This is greenbrier.
You see the wild naturalist in her element, looking for the plants in order to heal the community.
Another favorite of mine is this little herb right here, which is the plantain, not the banana plantain, but this one's a healing herb. Here we go, here's some river cane. Which kid would not want to make a sword out of this? We got an interesting plant right here. This is the winged elm, and it is called such because of the wings that grow out of the bark.
She is just a normal herbalist in her natural habitat.
Found one over here. Let's go check it out. This grows in like everybody's yard around here, and this is the pink primrose. Who remembers putting this on somebody's nose as a kid? I have a plant coming up here that people just don't realize how viable this plant is for our lives today. Let's go check it out. This plant, even though it is this big and can get a lot bigger, is called the dwarf palmetto. Herb up here that a lot of people don't even realize is an herb, so let's go check it out. This right here, Spanish moss, is beneficial in many different ways.
As the film crew rushes to keep up with the naturalist before she finds her next species.
Alright, here's a plant for us. This particular beauty, this is parsley hawthorn, and it is aptly named because of the leaves. And we got a plant here. And this beauty right here is the bull thistle.
Of the sea, that we should draw straws to see who will be consumed first. We are lost. Forever betting.
Oh, I think that's the end.
It'd be a lot better if a person was to walk by and go,
You're not lost. There's a parking lot.
So there we go. We survived the trail. I hope you enjoyed all of these herbs that we found today. If you did, check out the link in the description section. I have herbal data sheets for the herbs that we found today. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe. I'll talk to you again soon. And until then, get healthy, be happy, and herbal on. Oh, yeah, that's right. I needed
How's it going, Red?
Hey, Bill. I needed
back.
to give a big thumbs up and thank you for Bill from Bill in the Bush for helping me video this video series. So this is Bill.
Hi.
Like I said, he's from Bill in the Bush. Bill, you want to tell me a little bit about your channel?
So my channel is basically taking all our outcuts and our exploration of different wilderness trails, and I put them all together and do a little commentary. So might not be for the children, but it's definitely funny. Anything else?
That sounds like something that we need to go check out. So we'll talk to you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and
Herbal on.
herbal on. Bye.